Replacing the heatbed. Step 1. Remove the heatbed. Remove the platform. Use a 2.5 mm wrench to unscrew the 8 screws. Use a 2.0 mm wrench to unscrew the 2 screws in the middle. Step 2. Unplug the connectors. Cut the tie, being careful not to cut the wires. Locate the connectors for the heatbed. And unplug the 2 connectors. To remove the entire heatbed. Step 3. Install a new heatbed. Pass the connectors through the mounting plate. Plug them back into their original positions on the mainboard. The smaller one is for the temperature sensor, and the larger one is for the heating element. Align the 2 black sliders. Place the heatbed on top, and first tighten the 2 middle screws. Then insert the larger screws to fix the position. And tighten them. After replacing the heatbed, run a test print to ensure the new heatbed is functioning correctly.